Hi, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shared workspace in order for you and your colleagues to collaborate on different documents with different people sitting in different locations. So to create a shared workspace, you physically have to add a new workspace onto your document workspace in order and then select it to be shared in order for the other people to actually see what you've uploaded and did in that workspace. So to create another workspace, you click on the little plus sign next to default workspace. Gives you a little pop-up. You create the name. Let's say this is Tuesday's work. You click on done. A new workspace is added to your document workspace. You click on it. Very important, as you can see, it's a red workspace. A red workspace indicates that it's not being shared with anybody. And a blue workspace indicates that it's a shared workspace. So to make it a shared workspace, you click on the three dots, you click on Share Workspace. You will see all of the people on Doxit, all of your friends, your colleagues, everybody will be on the platform if they accepted the invitation. And then you just select the people that you would like to share this workspace with. So you select the three people that you're going to share it with. And you can add and remove people during the course of while you're using your workspace. So when you're done here, you click on Share. Very important is now blue workspace. So any files that you upload into this workspace, the 3 or 4 people that you've shared it with, or the 10 people, will be able to see those documents, will be able to sign them, paginate them, extract them, download them, etc. You can also decide to delete the workspace afterwards. Again, click on the three dots, click on delete. You are sure you want to delete it, and then this workspace will be deleted on everybody's platform. Very important, only the admin can delete that workspace. Only the admin can also add people to the workspace. So you're more than welcome to be using it, collaborate on documents together, then delete the workspace, take those documents and send it to the specific person.